Bear Fairy version 1 special treatment. This is a painting by Sybile art. We start with electric diamonds on the 2 stars on the painting, as well as the barrette or the small star on the fairy.
Bear Fairy by Sybile art, 50x72cm rounds, special treatment version 2, now adds Alexandrite sprinkled on the blue bear. So simply sprinkle the Alexandrite that you get with a special treatment on the blue areas of the bear. Bear Fairy by Sybile art, 50x72cm round, special treatment version 3, now adds strawberry fire that we have filled in on the bear's heart. So that is all strawberry fire.